In today's video, I will walk you through how to disconnect Google account from Claude AI. After signing in, look at the bottom left corner of the Claude interface. Click your profile avatar or initials to open the account menu. From there, select Settings or Customize, depending on the wording shown for your plan or workspace. Inside this menu, go to the Connectors section. Here, you can view the services currently connected to Claude. Look for the Google Drive or Google Workspace connector and click on it. This will open the connector details and show its current connection status, along with the available actions. Find the Disconnect option and click it. If a confirmation prompt appears, confirm your choice to complete the disconnection. After confirming, the connection status should update to show that the Google connector is no longer connected. Disconnecting the connector does not delete any files from your Google Drive or Google Workspace. It only removes Claude's ability to access those files or workspace data through that connector in future conversations. Once the connection has been removed, Claude will no longer be able to pull data from your Google account unless the connector is connected again later. If you do not see the Google connector, check that you are signed in to the correct account and workspace, then return to the Connectors section and look again. You have now successfully disconnected your Google account from Claude AI. Don't forget to click the link in the description. Thank you for watching.